Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're making Uagadi pachadi. Welcome Isha. Hi Isha. Hi Sisi, do you know what's special today? Yes? What is it? It's Uagadi. Happy Uagadi! Today we're making Uagadi pachadi. Let's make Uagadi pachadi. Let's make Uagadi pachadi. Need flour.
We need banana,
Mango.
tamarind,
Uagadi.
and chili powder.
Fall. Let's have Uagadi water.
Now let's add tamarind water.
Let's have bean flour.
Let's add mango now.
Let's add bananas.
Next we'll add salt and chili powder. Let's mix it now. I think it's ready.
Banana. Thanks for watching my video. See you in next video.